Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the data viewer list in Thunkable. First, open your Thunkable project and navigate to the Design tab, then find the data viewer list component in the Components palette. Drag this powerful component directly onto your screen. Next, you will need to select your data source from the Properties panel. You can connect to a local database, a Google Sheet, or even Airtable. This crucial step links your visual list directly to your information, preparing it for display. After connecting your data, it's time to design how each item appears. In the Properties panel, choose a list item template that fits your content, such as a title with a subtitle or an image with accompanying text. Then, map your data columns to these display elements. For instance, assign your product name column to the title and your price column to the subtitle. This visual mapping brings your raw data to life, making it readable and engaging for your app's users. Now, let's make your list interactive. In the Blocks editor, you can add an event handler for when a user clicks on any item within your data viewer list. Common actions include navigating to a detailed information screen or opening a web link. Importantly, you can pass data from the clicked item, like a unique identification number, to the next screen. This allows you to display specific information relevant only to that selected item, enhancing user engagement significantly. For optimal performance, especially with larger datasets, ensure your data is well-structured and consistent. Clear column headers and uniform data types prevent unexpected display issues. Consider adding search bars or filter options to help users quickly find what they need. Finally, always test your data viewer list on different devices and with varying amounts of data. This ensures your app remains responsive and user-friendly, providing a smooth and efficient experience for everyone who uses it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.